Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I kind of want to do like a behind the scenes of a nail tech with you guys because I feel like it would be a fun video just to kind of see what I do. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. I am a home-based nail tech. I am located in California, and yeah, so I am home-based. I know some people they prefer salons. I prefer home for nails. And if you guys want a story time on that, let me know, comment down below why I am a home-based nail tech. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you my room really quick. Alright you guys, and for right here we are going to be cleaning my stuff. We're gonna go ahead and sanitize it. If you guys are not a licensed cosmetologist, please be making sure that you guys are being sanitized or sanitizing your stuff, just because you don't want to spread any germs to your clients or infections. So make sure you guys are always doing this. I like to scrub my thing out and wash everything and rinse everything nice and good, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get my quads and dump everything in there like you see me doing. And then I'll let this sit for the 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna leave it in here until I come back. And then once I come back from the post office and whatnot, I am going to be taking it out and letting it air dry. Alright you guys, sorry about that. I did need to change my camera, and now I'm looking for my baby shoes. Go. Those shoes are a little big on him. Now we're gonna go ahead and head over to the post office. I need to go take some packages for my online business. I don't have any other time to do it, and she had just ordered the package last night, and it was right after I had already dropped off my other packages, so I was like, shoot, I'm not gonna have any other time to do it. But thankfully I figured out a way. But I might have to take my son real quick to go get some food after the post office, and then drop him off to be babysat, and then go back home, and then from there I'll be able to do all my stuff. Guys, I just got done at the post office. Now I'm at McDonald's. Let me go ahead and get my food real quick. Or pay. I went ahead and turned off my music real quick. But basically I do want to show you guys the mess I made. She ended up getting super simple nails. So this is my mess. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it all up. This is my mess. I am all done. So that is my first client. I'm going to be doing an unboxing with you guys right here. And then I do have one of my old Arkon mounts. but I need an upgrade. So basically I'll be showing you guys, I'm gonna be doing a video on these nails and what I think for filming. So if you guys are wanting to become a nail YouTuber, stay tuned because I am gonna be doing a series on that. Silence my phone. Okay, you guys, sometimes honestly I get so overwhelmed with my text message, I have to put my phone on do not disturb when I am overwhelmed because it is too much for my mental health. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on do not disturb right now because I need that. Okay, so basically what this is a clamp for a DSLR, a camera, a tablet, and a phone. And so far this one, it did seem a lot easier to kind of reconnect your phone and whatnot. Actually ended up doing it on this side. I felt like it looked less cluttered and I could just swivel it out of the way if I wanted to. But yeah, I think it looks super chic. I am going to be keeping the other one on my desktop. I just don't know how I am going to put both of them to use, but I'll let you guys know basically in a week or so. As client, I'm on client number 2. And I'll go ahead and show you guys a picture, basically what her set turned out like. Right now I had actually booked a client and I forgot all about my client. Maybe I'll end up having a lunch right now and drinking some water because I do need to do that. If you guys don't have plants in your nail room, I feel like you guys should get this plant at least because it has shimmer in it. But yeah, so I am a plant lady. I love plants. But let's go ahead and film some more content for you guys. And yeah, let's make use of this time because I need it. All right, I'll show you guys more in just a second. Alright, you guys, I did use this time to film some TikToks, and this is one of them. Make sure to give me a follow if you guys would like to see some of my funny TikToks or just some nail art stuff. What?
You heard me do my nails, and this better not be a TikTok video of yours.
Alright, you guys, I did end up finishing my 3 other clients. My mom ended up coming unexpectedly and wanted her nails done. So, of course, we needed to get her nails done. She was acting sassy. So, I'm going to go ahead and show you what her nails came out looking like. Alright, you guys, and this is what her set came out looking like. And this is the finished look. Like your nails. Mom, how do you like your nails?
Well, now this one was a little crooked. This one was really bad. And this took 10 hours to do.
You're horrible.
And, but they're really nice. I really like them.
Alright, you guys, today is the end of my day. My mom got me into setup and we're gonna go ahead and go get pedicures. So yeah. Alright, you guys, this is it for today. I want to go ahead and do a recap on basically everything that I had did, and everybody wanted something very different and unique, and I just love being able to be a nail tech and be able to show you guys basically my experience and what I do. Every nail tech is different, so please try not to compare yourself to a ton of other nail techs just because I know everybody is trying to grow their business and be successful in this industry, but be patient with yourself. It takes time, you guys. So if you guys are a beginner nail tech, make sure to hit that follow button because I do help you guys with a lot of things that basically a lot of people, they don't like to share. So make sure to hit that subscribe button because I really don't mind helping. And if you guys do need any video recommendations, please be sure to comment down below because by commenting down below, I'll know what you guys want, and if you guys want to see more things and for me to try out, I'll go ahead and do so. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'll be back with more videos. Bye!